Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss our very first case law titled as Lavender versus Betts, decided in year 1942. The brief facts of the case were: a landlord served a notice to quit and obtained entry to the property without force and removed the doors and windows so that it could no longer be used as a dwelling. The plaintiff brought an action for trespass. After referring to the landlord's right at a common laws to retake possession of the demised premises peacefully after the determination of the tenancy, the court pointed out that following the enactment of 1920 Act, the possession was regulated by Section 15 Clause 1. The provisions are quite clear and the statutory tenancy is created and the terms of the statutory tenancy are to be the same as those which have prevailed during the contractual tenancy. At the expiration of the notice, the plaintiffs were in possession. They retained possession and they were there on the terms of the original tenancy. They were under a legal obligation to carry out the obligations which had rested upon them, and the landlord was under the same obligation, and the plaintiffs had the benefit of any terms and condition which formed part of the contract of tenancy. No one disputes that one of the obligations resting on the landlord, of which the plaintiff had the benefit, was an undertaking for quiet enjoyment. The legal issues involved were whether the terms of a statutory tenancy are to be same as those during contractual tenancy, and whether they were under legal obligation and the landlord was under same legal obligation. Now the case cited by Justice Atkinson were Raman versus City of London Real Property Corporation Limited and Cruz versus Terrell. Now coming to the judgment of the case, Honorable Justice Atkinson held that at the expiration of notice, the plaintiff were in possession and they retained possession and hence were on terms of original tenancy. They were under legal obligation to carry out the obligations rested on them, and the landlord was under same obligations, and plaintiff had the benefit of any terms and conditions which were formed as a part of contract of tenancy. The statutory tenant has the same right as prevailed during tenancy. Therefore, the landlord has no conceivable rights to interfere with their possession or to trespass on the premises occupied by them unless he obtained an order giving him possession of premises. Hope you like the discussion. Stay tuned for more case law discussions. Please comment below the next case law which you would like me to discuss. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.